Executive Secretary Bersamin that he did not resign, contrary to your statement last Monday that he quit from his post out of delikadesa. Ma'am, what was the basis of your announcement po nung Monday kung meron pong ganitong denial on his part?
Unang-una po, mayroon muna tayong babasahin para po sa tinuran po ng ating mahal na si Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin. The Palace acknowledges former Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin's clarification regarding the manner of his transition. As he himself stated in his interview, he submitted himself to the President's discretion and prerogative as part of the ongoing reorganization. The Palace announcement was issued in line with this understanding and with due regard for stability and continuity in governance. At nagkausap naman po sila ng Pangulo face-to-face.